Hey learners, hope you all are doing well, and I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself. Let's continue with our Vedic Math series. In the past two sessions, we are discussing about one Vedic trick, that is multiplication of two numbers which are near to same base. In that, we had at the beginning discussed about that both the numbers can be lesser than the base, both the numbers can be greater than the base, and one can be lesser and one can be greater. In that, we discussed one case, remaining two cases are yet to be discussed. So let's discuss case 2 in today's session, that is both the numbers are greater than the base. So stay tuned till the end. Now, case 2 is both the numbers are higher than the base. Now, in this, there is no special rule. Okay, the one which we have discussed previously for case 1 is applicable here. Only the thing is, the deviation is positive. Therefore, when you add it, the number is going to increase. Whereas in case 1, the deviation was negative. So when you diagonally were adding it, it was actually getting subtracted. Okay. So the principle is going to remain same. Let's discuss one example, that is 13 into 12. Now our task is to multiply 13 with 12 using Nicolam rule. Okay. Now, first step is decide the base. Now, obviously, by seeing the example, we know that the base is 10. Okay. Now, find out deviation. Now, as this comes under case 2 category, that is, both are greater than the base. So, 13 is 3 more than the base. So, the deviation is 3. And 12 is 2 more than the base. So, 2. Now next step is same as usual like case 1. First part of your solution will be diagonally addition and second part is vertically multiplication. Now tell me 13 plus 2 or 12 plus 3, the answer is same, that is 15. You'll get the first part, and the second part is vertically multiplied, that is 3 into 2 is 6. As our base is 10, 10 contains 1 0. The second part should contain one digit, and we have got one digit. So there is no overflow or there is no need to prepend 0. Combine this, that is your solution. Okay, so 13 into 12 is 156. I hope you have understood it. Is it? There is no difference in the case 1 and case 2. Only the thing is, in case 1, this deviation was negative. So when we were actually crosswise adding, it was getting subtracted. But here the deviation is positive. So when you crosswise add, the first part is obviously going to increase. Okay, I hope you're understanding, isn't it? Yes. Let's see some more example. 18 into 14. Okay. Again, our task is to multiply 18 with 14. Decide the base first. That is the first step. After deciding base, find out the deviation. Now we can see both the numbers are greater or away, but they are not before, they are after the base. Okay, the base is 10. The first step is decided. Step 2 is find out deviation. So 18 is 8 more than the base and 14 is 4 more than the base, isn't it? Yes. Now what you do is, first part crosswise add and second part is vertically multiply. Okay. Now tell me crosswise, when you add 18 plus 4 or 14 plus 8 is 22. And vertically when you multiply, you'll get 32. 8 into 4 is 32. Okay. But 32 is a two-digit answer. And as our base is 10, 10 contains only one zero. So the second part should contain only one digit. So what we'll do is 3 is overflown, that is carry over, that you'll add it in the first part. So I'm writing it in this way. So we are going to keep 2 and 3 which is carried is to be added in the first part. Now directly tell me the answer. When you add this 3 here, it will become 25. That is 252. That is your solution. Isn't it easy? Yes, and I'm sure you all are enjoying. Please don't forget to put comments in the comment box, and I'm sure you're going to make 100 plus like for this video also. Okay, let's see some more examples. We'll take 104 into 102. Again, tell me, what is the base? Now, in this case, base is 100. So, our task is multiply 104 by 102. Okay, step 1 is clear. We have decided the base. Base is 100. Now, find out deviation. So, 104 is 4 away from 100, and 102 is 2 greater, that is away from 100. Okay, so deviation is calculated. Now so simple, just first part is diagonally add and the second part is vertically multiply. Now 104 into 2 is also 106 and 102 plus 4 is also 106. So any way you do it this way or this way, the answer is same. Now second part is 4 into 2, that is 8. But as in our base, there are two zero, second part should contain two digits. But our answer is coming one digit. So prepend it with 10 and you'll get 08. Combine this, that is your solution. Isn't it easy? Now you have to move on doing all this activity in mind. Here we are showing it in detailed step. Initially when you're practicing it, use paper pencil, but I want you all to do all this thing in mind, and that is what the benefit of Vedic maths, isn't it? Yes, let's take one more example. Okay, multiply 1275 with 1004. Okay, so our task is multiplication of 1275 with 1004. Again, the step 1. What is our step 1? Decide base. Okay. Now the base, obviously here we can observe that it is 1000. So base is decided. Okay. Now find out deviation. Okay, now 1275 is 275 greater than 1000 and 1004 is 4 greater. So after finding out deviation, now the next two steps are so easy. Diagonally add and vertically multiply. Now 1275 plus 4 or 1004 plus 275. The answer is going to be same. So anyway you take it, that will be your first part. The first part is 1279 and multiply 275 with 4. Okay, it is going to be 1100. You're getting it? But 1100 is 4 digit, and in the second part you're allowed to have only 3 digit because our base is 1000 and in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So what answer we have got? 1100. So I'll keep that 100 and 1 carry. Okay. So I'm representing this way. This 1 carry, when I add here, it will become 1280. So your final answer is 1280 and this 100. Isn't it easy? Yes. That's all for today. In the next session, we'll discuss about case 3. And as always, I keep telling, please keep learning and keep evolving. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you and God bless you.